So I guess this is for the cooking class.
Yeah, so you will have here to cook, and then you'll be able to enjoy the meal that you cook.
Okay, thank you. So we'll wait for the chef to come.
Yes, exactly. It will be here shortly if
Okay.
you want to already have a seat.
Perfect.
For example.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, and you know,
Is it
lotus. Yes.
lotus? Yeah, yeah.
And inside water for the catfish.
Oh, okay.
The big one for the catfish.
Really? Okay, so before we start our cooking class,
Yes.
we are being invited to visit the organic farm first to take a look and how we can take a look at the ingredients and such. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Which one is butterfly?
For the farmer.
Oh, yeah. That one. The butterfly pea.
Yes,
You know, yeah.
Basil.
Basil.
Yes, basil.
Yes.
You know, for the flavor.
Yep. Mmm.
Flavor for
Yep.
the
Yep.
basil.
Yep.
You know, for the
And then
lemongrass.
the lemongrass. Oh, okay.
And for the breakfast in the Paradise Hotel. Green and yes.
Yeah. Green and red watercress.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one is like what we smell at the Dong Yam Gong soup.
Yes,
Very
okay.
healthy. Yeah.
Healthy. And for the calico, you know calico. Menu today for the tom yum for the ingredient. Yes.
Okay.
Calico inside and for the
Garlic.
root, same for the ginger.
Oh.
And different for the ginger and for the little bit for the spice. For the Thai parsley. For the sumling. Yes. Same. Fankas mushroom. Just for it. Yes. Make for the tom yum. Yes. Collision.
Yes, nice.
For the color for the chili oil. Okay.
Perfect.
For the bee Okay, already for the.
So we're finishing up the cooking class and Treehouse Villa. The thing that we really like about this cooking class is because it's done course by course. So we made the appetizer and then we ate the appetizer and then the soup and then the main course and now finishing off with the dessert. So unlike other cooking class that you cook everything all together and then eat afterwards, this is one great experience that we have on this cooking class. So you can see we are finishing out with the nice private beach view here with our dessert.